Maisie has to visit the hospital after getting hurt. See what happens during her stay and how her friends help her feel better. Maisy Goes to Hospital by Lucy Cousins. One day, Maisie was bouncing on her trampoline. She bounced very high. Oh no! Maisie fell. She hurt her leg. Poor Maisie. Charlie went with Maisie to the hospital. Maisie had never been to the hospital before. You need to have an X-ray, Dr. Duck told Maisie. The X-ray showed that Maisie had broken her leg. Dr. Duck put a plaster cast on Maisie's leg. You'll need to stay in the hospital tonight. Nurse Comfort put Maisie to bed in the children's ward. Maisie's leg was raised in a special lift. Being away from home felt strange. Maisie missed her friends. "Hello, my name is Dottie," said the patient in the other bed. "I'm Maisie." Maisie and Dottie traded toys. Tallulah and Cyril came during visiting hours the next morning. Maisie shared her balloons and cookies with Dottie. Before she left, Tallulah signed Maisie's cast. Dr. Duck told Maisie, "You can go home now, but no trampolining yet. Come back in a few weeks to have the cast taken off." Before Maisie left, Nurse Comfort showed her how to walk using crutches. Charlie arrived to take Maisie home. "Goodbye, Dottie." Maisie said to her new friend, "Get well soon." Animals can get sick or injured too, and vets help them just like doctors help people. Hospitals are places where we go to rest, heal, and feel cared for, just like Maisie did. Have you ever had to visit the doctor or hospital?